Hello, today I'm going to show you my ratchet knife, and here we go. This is my ratchet knife. On it I have a bottle opener. I consider this a utility knife. It's kind of rusted, so you notice the designs on it. That's a 3-star. That's a moon and stuff like that on it. I'll open it up now, and here we go. Okay, can get a good look at it. Depends on where you live. These are pretty much very common knives. And this is how you close it. You have this key ring right here. You simply roll it like so, and you press on the blade with a thumb. So I'm pushing my thumb, and then that's it.